In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Amazon username / public profile name. Your Amazon public profile name is the name that shows up on things like product reviews, wish lists you choose to share, and your public profile page. It's different from your email or password, and you can update it in just a minute. Let's walk through it together. First, open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. If you're not already logged in, Amazon will prompt you to enter your credentials before you can continue. Once you're on the homepage, move your mouse to the top right corner over the area that says Account and Lists. Don't click yet, just hover. A menu will appear. From that menu, click on Account to open your account settings. On the Your Account page, look for the section labeled Login and Security. Click on that. For safety, Amazon may ask you to verify your identity, which could mean re-entering your password or confirming a code. Go ahead and complete that prompt so you can access your security settings. Inside Login and Security, you'll see your current name along with other details like email and phone. Next to your name, click the Edit button. This opens a screen where you can update the name that appears publicly across Amazon. Type the new name you want to use. Keep in mind this name can be visible to others when you leave reviews or share content, so choose something you're comfortable displaying publicly. Avoid including personal details like your full address or contact information. If you're updating the name to match a business or a theme, keep it clear and professional so people can recognize you easily. When you're happy with the change, click Save Changes. You should see a confirmation that your name has been updated. In many cases, the new name appears right away, but it can take a little time to show up everywhere across the site. If you don't see it immediately on your reviews or profile, give it a few minutes and refresh. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. This change only updates your display name. It doesn't affect your email, password, or payment methods. If you spot a typo after saving, just repeat the same steps to edit it again. And if multiple people use the same household account, remember that changing the name affects what others see on public activity from that account. That's it. Simple and secure. Thanks for watching, and happy updating.